This is a very terrible scenario to be in. Goodbye. Help!
I can't believe you use a chainsaw on a plant Pokemon like that,
You
bro.
know what the worst thing? The worst thing is, technically, the Pokemon trainer could just call you back at any time, like if it was real. But instead, he just lets him stay in there. No, you got it. You got it.
No,
you can do it.
no, you can't. If you are in a bind, right, you have to wait 3 to 5 turns.
That's Protect, though. It should have been able to avoid it.
No.
That's Urshifu.
No, you are stuck in the move until it's done. You have to wait till you switch out.
No, I'm going to call Corrin Urshifu, and that's why I'm going to start complaining from now on. But that's a great down air.